on our way to the allotment. Very excited. Operation Shed begins. See you in a bit. So we are up at the plot and Operation Shed has commenced. Very exciting day. Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. It's been a while and I thought it was about time I got my backside in gear and got this video edited and uploaded, so here we go. This time, probably a little bit later than this, Mayish time last year, so during the very first lockdown, Pete and I decided that it would be a good time to get a shed up at my allotment. And I was really excited about that because I've waited about 4 years for it. Anyway, so this is basically the video footage that I took last year while we were doing this project. We started off by digging the hole and then leveling the ground, and then Pete mixed up some sand and cement, and we laid, I think it was about 6 large concrete slabs, which were donated by Molly. They were having a refurb of their garden and had some slabs going begging, so we grabbed those. So we put, this was the, I think we did this over about three or 4 days, I think the whole project took. The first day was digging out the ground, as you can see, and laying the slabs, and then we had to let that all go off. And then we came back a few days later, I think, as Pete just finishing off. And then we came back, we had the shed delivered to the plot, and then well, not we really, Pete assembled the shed. I was just the lackey helping him put it all together. So really the rest of the footage is going to be Pete putting the shed together and then the pair of us slapping some paint on. I think we put about 2 coats of paint on it. It probably could have done with the 3rd coat, but I think by the time we'd put the 2nd coat on, we were fed up with it. We didn't want to do any more painting. And I'm happy with how it turned out. So I think I will just leave you to watch the rest of the footage if you want to, obviously, and I'll pop a bit of music up for you and let you just carry on watching. Operation Paint the Shed has begun. Got the old man hard at it. It's going to need another coat by the looks of it, but looking good. He's alright, he'll do, we'll keep him.
Do you want to swap? I'll do the film and you do the painting.
I'll be painting in a minute. So, all being well, this should be the last day of Operation Shed. Second coat of paint going on.
Where's the champagne? There's champagne crust in it.
So I think we're going to call that done.
There's a run there.
That's 2 coats. You did that bit. That's 2 coats. I'm in a hurry about doing a 3rd coat, but I'm happy with how it looks anyway. So, shed, tick, done. Compost bins, tick, done. So we're getting there finally in the 4th year. Thanks for watching!